At Data.ai, we help you meet and exceed growth targets. Your growth team is spending too much budget on installs. As a result, you need to focus on increasing your organic downloads and improving paid search efficiency. In our Compare module, benchmark your performance against competitors. Understand your competitors' marketing approach by comparing organic and paid downloads side by side. If your competitors are generating a higher percentage of organic downloads, consider optimizing your ASO strategy. To maximize paid search efficiency, consider adjusting your UA spend by identifying high-volume keywords on which your competitors are outbidding you. Conversely, spend less on low-performing keywords that are not generating traffic share. With this information, you will be able to optimize your spend efficiently, while driving download growth.